Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and a lot of you have asked about the resin that I use, so I wanted to go ahead and show you. I use the Envirotex Light. It is a pour-on high gloss finish. In the end, it's waterproof, heat and alcohol resistant, and so let me see what else it says. 1 thick coats equal up to 60 coats of varnish. And it's pretty easy. So it comes in a box like this. I'll put a link down below. You can just grab it on Amazon, and that's where I grab mine. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you. It comes with 2 bottles, and you'll see one has a black top, one has a white top. The black has black writing, and the white has white writing. If you were to take these off and put them on the opposite sides, you will never get to use the insides again without cutting the bottle open, because it will harden and be the best glue ever. So make sure you do that. Some people put A and B on there, A and B on here just to remember, but I just use the color. And I'm just going to use my measuring cup here. I don't need a lot, so I'm going to use a 1/4 cup and a 1/4 cup. It's 1 part each, and then I'm going to do it in a cup. That allows me to pour nicely. So I'm just going to open up the first one, and this is your resin. So we're going to put a 1/4 cup right in there, and this is more than I need, so I'm going to do a couple of different resin projects for you. So this week we'll have some resin projects coming up. And just get out as much as you can there. If you need a little spatula, I think you may have seen at the Dollar Tree, they had these little guys, and then it was rounded, but I just cut it off so that you could use them, because it does not stick to the silicone, and this is a silicone little face thing, but always put something underneath as well. So I've gone ahead and done that, and now I'm going to do the same exact with the hardener. So we're going to put the exact same amount there. There we go. And we'll put that in as well and get that all out. But it's equal parts, which is really nice. So if you needed to do a big, huge table, you take the whole bottle, mix it with the whole bottle in a big bucket, and then you're good to go. You do want to clean it up right away, otherwise you go through so many of these little containers, or you can use plastic throwaway cups. So we've got that taken care of, and we're just going to mix this up. Now you mix for 3 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, we are about done. You'll see a few bubbles in there. You will use a torch to get rid of those, but you can wait until after you're done pouring to get rid of those. But you do want to use this right away, because it will, I mean, as soon as you put the hardener in, that is when it starts the process. And it can get a little bit heated, so it gets kind of hot. So you want to make sure that you use this so you can clean this all up as well. It's a pretty fast process once you decide to use the hardener. So there you go. That is how I use it. I'll be doing a couple resin projects this week. So if you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. I know that there were a lot of you who asked about it, so I should have a good amount of thumbs ups there. All right, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.